Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can clean up data in your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. So for the sake of this tutorial, I created a table like that here with a column like this and a column like that. So there are basically two different ways how you can clean up data. The first option would be to use the cleanup suggestion feature here on Google Sheets to get rid of any unnecessary or redundant data in your spreadsheet. To do that, simply mark the area or the cells you would like to perform the cleanup for. So let me mark the entire table. After that, click on data here at the top, hover your mouse over data cleanup, and you may select, for instance, that cleanup suggestions option or feature here. And if any suggestions are available, they will appear here on the right or pop up here on the right hand side. As you can see, there are currently no suggestions available because that table looks actually pretty accurate and decent. So the second option would be to simply remove any duplicate data from your table. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me copy that cell here and that one as well. And after that, head over to data again, hover your mouse over data cleanup, select remove duplicates here to the right, select the columns and rows you would like to apply the cleanup for, and confirm by clicking on remove duplicates. And as you can see, Google Sheets will automatically remove any duplicate data from your spreadsheet to keep it clean and safe. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.